Hi and welcome to your channel Concept Films. In this channel we are eager to share the most interesting facts that most people are not aware. So, let's get started. There's so many interesting solar system facts, we've narrowed them down to 5 of our favorites. Our solar system consists of the Sun and everything that orbits that Sun, like the 8 once 9 planets we all know from elementary school. But the main planets, as diverse and fascinating as they are just the beginning. Earth's neighbors in space include comets, asteroids, dwarf planets, mysterious moons and a host of strange phenomena that are so out of this world they elude explanation. Scientists have discovered ice-spewing volcanoes on Pluto, while Mars is home to a truly grand canyon the size of the United States. There may even be a giant, undiscovered planet lurking somewhere beyond Neptune. Read on for some of the strangest facts about the solar system. Fact number 1. The solar system is really, really big. NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft was launched in 1977. More than 3 decades later, in 2012, it became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space by crossing the heliopause, or the edge of the heliosphere. That's the boundary beyond which most of the Sun's ejected particles and magnetic fields dissipate. But, according to NASA, if we define our solar system as the Sun and everything that primarily orbits the Sun, Voyager 1 will remain within the confines of the solar system until it emerges from the Oort cloud in another 14,000 to 28,000 years. Fact number 2. Even just our neighborhood is really big. Depending on how carefully you do the calculations and how you arrange them, all of the planets in the solar system could fit in between Earth and its moon. The distance between the Earth and the Moon varies, as does the diameter of each of the planets. They're wider at their equators, so Saturn or Jupiter or both would have to be tilted sideways for this to work, according to new site Slate. But imagine lining them all up, pole to pole. They'd just barely squeeze in between us and our closest companion in space, blocking out the sky with their rings and gas giant bulk as they did so. Of course, in all practicality we'd have other problems to worry about, too. Our little moon creates vast tides on Earth already. The gravitational perturbation from our new proximity to Jupiter alone would keep any of us from admiring the view. The moon is the farthest from Earth that we've ever sent humans, and it. Scientists use an approximation of the Earth to Sun distance, also known as 1 astronomical unit or O, to compare distances within the solar system. Jupiter is about 5.2 astronomical units from the Sun, and Neptune is 30.07 astronomical units from the Sun, or approximately 30 times as far from the star as Earth. 3. Fact number 3. Uranus spins sideways. Uranus usually appears in classroom solar system models as a featureless blue ball, but this gas giant of the outer solar system is pretty weird on closer inspection. First, the planet rotates on its side, appearing to roll around the Sun like a ball, according to NASA's Uranus Guide, opens in new tab. The most likely explanation for the planet's unusual orientation, about 90 degrees sideways compared to the other planets, is that it underwent some sort of titanic collision in the ancient past. Uranus's tilt causes what NASA considers to be the most extreme seasons in the solar system. For about a quarter of each Uranus year, or 21 Earth years, as each. Fact number 4. Jupiter's moon Io has towering volcanic eruptions compared to Earth's peaceful moon. Jupiter's moon Io may come as a surprise. The Jovian moon has hundreds of volcanoes and is considered the most active moon in the solar system, sending plumes of sulfur up to 190 miles 300 kilometers into its atmosphere. According to a statement from NASA, Io's volcanoes emit 1 ton, more than 900 kilograms, of gases and particles into the space near Jupiter each second. Fact number 5. Mars boasts a volcano bigger than the entire state of Hawaii. While Mars seems quiet now, gigantic volcanoes once dominated the surface of the planet. This includes Olympus, the biggest volcano ever discovered in the solar system. At 374 miles, 602 kilometers, across, the volcano is comparable to the size of Arizona. It's 16 miles, 25 kilometers high, or triple the height of Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. By volume, Olympus Mons is 100 times larger than Hawaii's Mauna Loa.